in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarokar News, Organ Donation India Foundation, and Gyan. Our endeavor is to bring to you the current topic and enlighten you. But as we promised, all the Sundays are for the edutainment. That is the education as well as the entertainment. And today we are going to have a very special guest, and she is joining for today's program, which is Media Conference with Lal Goyal, Rue a Retro, and she is joining from Los Angeles, USA. She is Miss Vaishali Gaur, BE MBA, known as Ria Manjari in musical world. Miss Vaishali Gaur is a music enthusiast, started learning classical music early in life at the age of 7. She started learning tabla as well, but chose to move into vocal training following her uncle, who is also a vocalist. She has taken Diksha from various gurus, Sri Moravne in Bhopal, Sri Anjan Ghosh in Pune, and Sri Rajiv Karmarkar at Lima, that is LIMA, Los Angeles International Music Academy. She is taking part in various concerts at Lima and other platforms. She led a musical firm consisting of 700 plus members for one and a half years, arranging many musical themes based events across USA, Europe, and India. She won many awards in vocal singing, right from school to most recent being awarded first runner-up trophy in the 18th annual singing competition hosted by Indo-American Community Theatre. Other than her music journey, she is an engineer, MBA, and was awarded medal by former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for being the university topper in engineering. She is working professional in the field of program management based out of Los Angeles, USA. Welcome, Ms. Vaishali Gaur or Ria Manjari on our show. Now, as our custom is that we will be starting our program with a prayer, and the prayer is a very, very known and famous, that is "E Malik Tere Bande Hum" from the film Do Aankhein Baare Haath. The film was released in 1958. The singer Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Bharat Vyas, music director Vasant Desai ji, starring V. Shantaram and Sandhya. It is considered to be the one of the classics of Hindi cinema and is based on humanistic psychology. It won a Golden Bear at the 8th Berlin International Film Festival and a Golden Globe Award in the new category Samuel Goldwyn International Film Award for the best film produced outside of the United States. The film is also remembered for the song "E Malik Tere Bande Hum," sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji and written by Bharat Vyas. The film was inspired by the story of an open prison experiment, Swatantrapur, in the princely state of Ond near Satara. Now Swatantrapur is part of Atpadi Tehsil in Sangli district of Maharashtra. It was recounted by screenwriter G.D. Mudgulkar to V. Shantaram in 2005. India Time Movies ranked the movie amongst the top 25 must-see Bollywood films. During filming, V. Shantaram fought with a bull and injured an eye, but his eyesight survived. The film was later remade in 1975 as the Tamil language film Palnadu Vajaga, and in 1976 as Telugu language film Ma Daivam. The core plot line is thematically similar to the 1952 movie My Six Convicts. Noted painter G. Kamble was hired by Shantaram to paint the movie posters. Mr. Kamble produced a 350-feet banner at Bombay's Opera House in 1957. "E Malik Tere Bande Hum."
Namaskar Lalji, and namaskar to all the viewers. We'll start with a prarthana. जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। वो बुराई करे हम भलाई करें, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मीठे बैर का ये भरम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे परम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
Very nice. Thank you very much for giving such a good prayer. I'm sure our program, which has started with a prayer, will definitely go a long way. Now, the second song which she is going to sing is Shola Jo Bhadke, film Albela, which was released in 1951. Singer Lata Mangeshkar ji as well as Chitalkar. Lyrics Rajen Krishna, music C. Ramchandra, starring Bhagwan Dada, Geeta Bali, a Hindi classic. It was the third highest grossing film at the Indian box office in 1951, and its soundtrack by C. Ramchandra was acclaimed. The film was later dubbed in Tamil as Nala Pillai in 1953. Shola Jo Bhadke.
शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। महके हवाएं बहते कदम मेरे, ऐसे में थाम लो आके पलम मेरे। महके हवाएं बहते कदम मेरे, ऐसे में थाम लो आके पलम मेरे। पत्ता भी खड़के तो बिजली सी कड़के, पत्ता भी खड़के तो बिजली सी कड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। प्यार को मेरे किसने पुकारा, दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा। प्यार को मेरे किसने पुकारा, दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा। ये उतर है लाई पकड़ के, याद ये किसकी लाई पकड़ के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के देखा जो तुमको दर्द गया था अब तो न होंगे तुमसे जुदा हम देखा जो तुमको दर्द गया था अब तो न होंगे तुमसे जुदा हम जी न सकेंगे तुमसे बिछड़ के जी न सकेंगे तुमसे बिछड़ के दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के Thank you.
We have started receiving the messages. Shan says, wow, what a voice. Divpal Sharma, very nice starting, very nice voice. Ila Shukla, beautiful. Shan again, very inspirational. Shrikant Srivastava, wonderful. Anand Vate, wonderful. Shrikant Srivastava, enjoying, what a voice. Shan, thank you, Lalji, very nice, superb. Divpal Sharma, very nice choice of old songs. Ila Shukla, wow. Shan again, agree. Shan India, all so want भोली सूरत दिल के अविनाश भार्गव बहुत सुंदर प्रस्तुति रूए रेट्रो जिंदाबाद for bringing such high class singer Vaishali you rock said Shan Rahul Saxena awesome Divpal Sharma Riya is having very nice voice she is singing very nicely Anant Mama nice voice well sung Shan क्या expression है Shrikant Srivastava you rock Shilpi Robin superb Ila Shukla expressions and Shan again awesome. So we are receiving the messages. Please keep sending the messages. It encourages the artist. Now the third song is Ye Raat Ye Chandni Fir Kahan, film Jaal, which was released in 1952. Singer Hemant Kumar ji and Lata Mangeshkar ji. Lyrics Sahir Ludhianvi. Music S.D. Burman Sahab. Starring Geeta Bali, Devanand, Purnima, K.N. Singh, Johnny Walker. This was Guru Dutt's second movie after Devanand's production Baji. Guru Dutt was trying to find his bearings through commercially successful movies. After Baji, this was the second film in which Devanand also came through as an actor with a unique style of his own. One of the shooting locations for the movie was Malwan, Sindhudurg district. Returning from where Devanand and Geeta Bali met with an accident, he almost broke his ribs. They spent some time in the local hospital for recovery. Ye Raat, Ye Chandni Fir Kahan.
ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ सुन जा दिल की दास्तां ये रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ सुन जा दिल की दास्तां आती है सदा तेरी
we are receiving messages continuously, and I think I have to read, otherwise so many messages will accumulate, then it is very difficult. Anand Vache, very nice. Avinash Bhargav, wonderful voice. Shan, kya song choice hai Lalji. Dipal Sharma, again very nice song, very nice singing. Pandit Resort, good song description, nice songs. Ila Shukla, what a lovely choice of songs. Shrikant Srivastava, what a voice, what a song choice, fabulous. Shan, kya voice ka throw hai. Very nice. So now we are going to the next song again. Jhumka Gira Re. Movie Mera Saya, it was released in 1966. Singer Asha Bhosle ji, lyrics Raja Mehndi Ali Khan Sahab, music Madan Mohan ji, starring Sadhana, Sunil Dutt, K.N. Singh, Prem Chopra. The music for the film is composed by Madan Mohan ji. The song Naino Mein Badra Chai, which is based on Rag Bhimal C and sung by Lata Mangeshkar, has a rendition of sitar and won Madan Mohan the Sur Singer Award for the best classical song for the year 1966. The haunting track Tu Jahan Jahan Chalega, Mera Saya Saath Hoga, sung by Lata Mangeshkar, appears twice in the film and remained a classic. Asha Bhosle's song Jhumka Gira Re also became very popular. झुमका गिरा रे
जी सब फीमेल से रिक्वेस्टेड है कि अपने अपने झुमके संभाल के रखें. वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद some झुमका.
and the man should also keep their purse intact, because they may ask for more money for झुमकास. Yes, please go ahead. Thank you.
Sure, sir. झुमका गिरा रे हाय, झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में, झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में, झुमका गिरा गिरा हाय हाय हाय, झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में, झुमका गिरा रे. Thank you.
Famous song at one time, and in all the exhibitions or those programs which were taking place at that time, this song was a must to be played. And we are receiving so many messages. I will see which was the last message which I read, but I will try to do this thing. Yes, it is. शान लाल जी, क्या नॉलेज है सॉन्ग्स पे, म्यूजिक पे? शान अगेन थैंक यू. वैशाली, उमेश श्रीवास्तव, वाओ व्हाट ए रेट्रो फील यू हैव बॉट टू दीस सॉन्ग्स. इला शुक्ला एग्रीड. आकाश द्विवेदी, डैम गुड. आनंद वटे, वाओ ग्रेट सिंगिंग. शान, वाओ. मदन मोहन, माय फेवरेट. शान इंडिया, गो गो वैशाली. कुंवर सिंह, वेरी नाइस सॉन्ग. जूही ठाकुर, सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, वी लव यू. जूही ठाकुर अगेन, लबों पर ये रात में वाट हरकतें. जूही ठाकुर, हाय हाय हाय, आहा was very sweetly, मचा रही है तू. शान, आहा क्या झटके, क्या लचके. वाह वैशाली. आनंद बचे, वाओ व्हाट ए स्टार्ट, ग्रेट गोइंग, गुड वाइब्स. दिवपाल शर्मा, टू गुड, आई लाइक योर वॉइस. शान, फिर क्या हुआ. इला शुक्ला, वाह बहुत ही सुंदर. जूही ठाकुर, बोले झुमका में पहना दूं, आजा बाकी छोरी. ईच वर्ड इज बीइंग पुट विथ सो मच नजाकत एंड एक्सप्रेशंस, अमेजिंग. उमेश श्रीवास्तव, लोल. जूही ठाकुर, लाफिंग इमोजी. क्या उमेश श्रीवास्तव, क्या हरकत है. अरे वाह. श्रीकांत श्रीवास्तव, हाँ क्या बात. वैशाली, वेराइटी ऑफ सॉन्ग. जूही ठाकुर, गजब हरकतें. शान, फिर क्या हुआ. So many messages are coming. It's not possible for me to read all the messages, but please keep sending the messages. It will definitely go to Vaishali or Ria. Once she will complete the program, she will read all the messages of yours. I will be also try to read whenever I will get the time. Now the next song is Ye Jeevan Hai, Is Jeevan Ka. Movie Piya Ka Ghar, which was released in 1972. Singer Kishore Kumar, lyrics Anand Bakshi, music director Lakshmikant Pyarelal, starring Jaya Bahaduri, Anil Dhawan, Penchal. Anil Dhawan is an Indian film and television actor, most known for his debut film Chetna in 1970 and Piya Ka Ghar 1971. He is remembered on the silver screen for the song Ye Jeevan Hai in the movie Piya Ka Ghar with actress Jaya Bahaduri. The music was composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and sung by Kishore Kumar. Obtained a diploma in acting from FTII Pune in the same batch as of Jaya Bahaduri. His son is actor Siddharth Dhawan. Director David Dhawan is his brother. Another director Rohit Dhawan and actor Varun Dhawan are his nephews. Ye Jeevan Hai, Is Jeevan Ka. Please.
ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का ये जीवन है. ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का ये है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप. थोड़ी गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, थोड़ी गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ. यही है, यही है, यही है छूट ये जीवन है. ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है. ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है. उसे अपना लो जो भी जीवन की रीत है. यूं जिद छोड़ो, यूं ना तोड़ो, हर पल एक दर्पण है. ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का
उमेश श्रीवास्तव क्या हरकत ली है, वाह। श्रीकांत श्रीवास्तव, वाह क्या बात। वैशाली वैरायटी ऑफ सॉन्ग्स। जूही ठाकुर गजब हरकतें। शान फिर क्या हुआ। पंडित रिजॉर्ट गुड एक्सप्रेशन, नाइस सॉन्ग्स। जूही ठाकुर किलिंग इट। शान क्या एक्सप्रेशंस है। वैशाली शान लव, he has sent so many love emojis for you or for me, I don't know. Umesh Srivastav, the Feel Sulf, Shan Lalji, thank you for organizing this. Thank you very much, Mr. Shan. Apna Ayyar, beautiful expression. Shan again, kya knowledge hai Lalji. Devipal Sharma, very heart-touching song. She is singing very nicely. Jui Thakur, Lalji, we are very grateful to have chosen Vaishali as your guest this time. Such proud moment. Anand Vate, superb. Umesh Srivastava, wow, Vaishali, what a performance. Shan, this kind of voice quality is hard to find. Shrikant Srivastava, beautiful V. It means Vaishali. Jui Thakur, Lalji, we are very grateful to you for this. Already you have sent earlier. Avinash Bhargav, very well, singing with action. Umesh Srivastava, you sing with such expressions, amazing. Jui Thakur, beautiful. Jui Thakur, Madhur V. Juhi, you are making us so proud. Keep going, sweetheart. लहरों का लबों पर, simply superb हरकतें. So proud of you, Vaishali. Anant Achwal, nice voice, well sung. MD Agrawal, भिलाई, माधुरी की बेटी की आवाज में गजब का माधुर्य है. मोहन शशि, भिलाई, छत्तीसगढ़. Jui Thakur, Vaishali is a dynamite. Jui Thakur, Vaishali is a dynamite of expressions. Pandit Resort, feel of the song is too good in this singing. Shan, kya perform hai boss. Kya performance hai boss. Okay, very good. So now the next song is प्यार दीवाना होता है, movie Kati Patang. It was released in 1971. Singer Kishore Kumar ji, lyrics Anand Bakshi ji, music R.D. Burman Sahib, starring Asha Parekh, Rajesh Khanna, Prem Chopra, Bindu Nazir Hussain. Kati Patang was adapted from the novel of the same name by Gulshan Nanda. The film's story, also written by Mr. Gulshan Nanda, was also based on the novel. I married a dead man by Cornell Woolrich, and had been previously made into a picture titled No Man of Her Own in 1950, starring Barbara Stanwyck. The novel was also later filmed in Japanese as Shisha to no Kekon in 1960. In Brazilian as the TV miniseries Intrusa in 1962. In French as Jael Paso Agno Ambe. I don't know that French, but I tried. I Married a Shadow, the meaning of that French, is released in 1983, and by Hollywood as Mrs. Winterborn, which was released in 1996. Shakti Samanta has stated that he cast Asha Parekh because he was confident that he could extract a convincing performance from her. प्यार दीवाना होता है.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह चल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ. क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह चल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ. नहीं खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। रहे कोई सा पर्दों में डरे शर्म से, नजर आजे लाख छुड़ाए कोई सनम से। रहे कोई सा पर्दों में डरे शर्म से, नजर आजे लाख छुड़ाए कोई सनम से। ही जाता है जिस पे दिल आना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। सुनो किसी शायर ने कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरी महबूब। सुनो किसी शायर ने कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरी महबूब। वो चलक जाता है जो पैमाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है।
Very nice. So now we have to read the messages. So many messages are coming, and I will try to read as much as I can. Shan said, love emojis for Vaishali. Okay, thank you, Mr. Shan. I was just thinking something else. Umesh Srivastav loved this song. Sandeep Devasli, melodious singing. Umesh Srivastav, Vaishali will rock this song. Shan, R.D. Burman, Juhi Thakur, huge round of applause. We, Apna Year, what a beautiful rendition, melodious. Subhash Dande, very wide spectrum of singing. Apna Year, totally enjoyed. Flawless. Ila Shukla agreed, too good. Dipal Sharma, I am enjoying her singing very much. शान, क्या उर्दू है? So many messages are coming. क्या उर्दू है? ऐसा लगता है मौसरी से उठ कर सीधे आए वैशाली. I can't read that word. मुशायरे से, sorry, मुशायरे से उठकर सीधी आई वैशाली. इला शुक्ला agreed. आनंद वटे fabulous. रंजना लवली वैश्यू. शान वाह, अभी एक्टिंग में भी निखार आ गया. Okay, so you are doing the acting also, Miss Riya Manjri. We were not knowing. Shan वाह, variations. अपना year completely in retro mood. Good vibes. उमा श्रीवास्तव, कातिल सिंगिंग. जूही ठाकुर एकदम कातिलाना सिंगिंग. उमेश श्रीवास्तव, जान जहना सबसी जह नसीब. Yeah, Urdu word. Yeah. So now I will read afterwards. So many messages are coming continuously. I can't read. Now the next song is a cult. It has created a cult, and that is Dam Maro Dam. Movie Hare Rama Hare Krishna, released in 1971. Singer Asha Bhosle ji, lyrics Anand Bakshe ji, music definitely of R.D. Burman, starring Devanand, Jeanat Aman, Mumtaz. The film was a hit and a star-making vehicle for Jeanat Aman, who played a westernized hippie and won the Filmfare Best Supporting Actress Award as well as the BFJ Award for Best Actress. The movie dealt with the decadence of the hippie culture. It aimed to have an anti-drug message and also depicts some problem associated with westernization, such as divorce. It was influenced by the 1968 American psychedelic film Psych Out. The story for Hare Rama Hare Krishna actually came to Devanand's mind when he saw hippies and their fallen values in Kathmandu, Nepal, where he was on a visit after protests against his previous film Prem Pujari in Calcutta. He was low in spirits because his film had been opposed and some communists had burned Prem Pujari's poster. And so this film he has planned, and thus this song has become a cult. Dam Maro Dam.
जी, ये गाना गाने से पहले एक तो मैंने थोड़े ग्लासेस चढ़ा लिए हैं और मुझे ये कहना है कि धूम्रपान स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक होता है, सो प्लीज अवॉइड. ऑलराइट. दम मारो दम, मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. दम मारो दम, मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या, दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या, हम सबकी परवाह करें क्या, सबने हमारा किया क्या. दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या, दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या, हम सबकी परवाह करें क्या, सबने हमारा किया क्या. दम मारो दम, मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. दम मारो दम, मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. चाहे जिएंगे मरेंगे, हम ना किसी से डरेंगे.
as you have already said, as Ria has already said, no smoking. Yes, not only no smoking, no drugs. India is having lots very good culture. We have so many things to eat, and especially in this COVID-19, it was shown that our mortality rate so less because we are having that homemade food and our good culture. And I am sure that the young generation now understood the value of our culture, and they will not like to venture out for the drugs or for smoking. Thank you very much. Now I would like to move for the another song, and that is Ye Nain Dare Dare, a film movie, Kohra, which was released in 1964. Singer Hemant Kumarji, lyrics Kafi Azmi, music Hemant Kumarji, starring Wahida Rahman, Vishjit, Lalita Pawar. The film was adapted from Dauphin de Maurice. He was a very, very great writer. I was fan of him. In 1938, his of the novel Rebecca. His another novel, The Frenchman's Creek, was also very famous, which was previously adapted by Alfred Hitchcock as Academy Award-winning Rebecca in 1940. Though some supernatural elements were added to it, including a few from the movie Psycho, another super-duper hit movie. This version is famous for its twist ending, which differs significantly from that of the original novel. The song Ye Nain Dare Dare was filmed on winding road to Mahabaleshwar, a hill station in Maharashtra. Ye Nain Dare Dare.
ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा भी दूर कल की किसको खबर, एक रातों के निडर मुझे जीने दो। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिल पर। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिल पर, और तुझसे हंसी, और तुझसे हंसी तेरा प्यार। तू जाने मन, ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो। ये नयन डरे डरे। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है
The earlier song was saying that we should smoke or drugs. No. This song says drinks. No. We have to be very, very controlled person. We should be to survive in this COVID time. Now the next song is 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था. Film जब प्यार किसी से होता है, which was released in 1961. Singer Mohammad Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar ji. Lyrics Hajrat Jaipuri. Music Shankar Jaikishan. The film was written, produced and directed by Nazir Hussain Sahab. Nazir Hussain, born on 16 November 1926, was an Indian film producer, director and screenwriter with a career spanning decades. Hussain has been credited as a major trendsetter in the history of Hindi cinema. For example, he directed Yadon Ki Barat in 1973, which created the Bollywood masala film genre that defined Hindi cinema in 1970s and 80s. And he wrote and produced Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak in 1988, which set the Bollywood musical romance template that defined Hindi cinema in the 1990s. He joined Filmistan as a writer in 1948. The famous films he wrote for Filmistan include Anarkali in 1953, Munimji in 1955, and Paying Guest in 1957. Hussain made Dil De Ke Dekho in 1959. The film introduced Asha Parekh, who would be the lead in all of Hussain's films until Karwan in 1971. He was also in a long romantic relationship with her, but it ended because he was already a married man with 2 children, and Asha Parekh ji didn't want to be labeled a home wrecker. Hussein's wife was Margaret Frenchina Louise, an assistant choreographer he met at Filmistan. They married and then changed her name to Aisha Khan. Hussain then set up Nasir Hussain Films and turned producer director. He made musical hits like जब प्यार किसी से होता है, फिर वही दिल लाया हूं, etc. Lots of films he has made, and he continued to write scripts and dialogues for films like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak and Jo Jeeta Wo Sikandar. In Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, he introduced his nephew Amir Khan as a hero, and Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak was a milestone in history of Hindi cinema. So setting the template for Bollywood musical romance films that defined Hindi cinema in 1990s. Hussain received a special Filmfare Award in 1996 for his contribution to Hindi cinema. Hussain died in Mumbai on 13th March 2002 following a heart attack. After his death, Asha Parekh ji stated in an interview that she had not seen him the last years of his life as he became repulsive because of his wife's death. So the song is 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था.
जी 100 साल पहले मैं जिस भी लाइफ में थी वहां से लेके इस लाइफ तक प्यार था. So
I know you have such a handsome husband with you.
100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. सदियों से तुझसे मिलने जिया बेकरार था, जिया बेकरार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती है. तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है. तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती. तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है. मुझे जीत जिया दिल भर तेरा इंतजार था, तेरा इंतजार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. सदियों से तुझसे मिलने जिया बेकरार रहेगा। 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा।
We are receiving lots of messages, and if you are asking ki when we will be taking the farmaish, but see the program which we are doing, the time is so limited. If we will take your request, it is not easy to take the request at this last moment. We are also receiving lots of requests from our viewers. They want at least twice this program in 1 week's time. We are considering very seriously if you are so much interested, but we feel that weekdays everyone has to work, whether work from home or work in the at the place. So that's why we have selected Sunday. So please keep it for Sunday. We know that we have taken so much leisure in our lockdown period, but still it is better that we should work, then only we will be surviving. Now I would like to move to the next song, and that next song is Na Tum Hame Jano, film Baat Ek Raat Ki, which was released in 1962, singer Hemant Kumar ji, and also it was sung by Suman Kalyanpur. This lyrics Majroo Sultanpuri ji, music S.D. Burman ji, starring Devanand, Wahida Rahman, Johnny Walker, Asit Sen. Sachin Dev Burman was an Indian music director and singer born on 1st October 1906, a member of the Tripura royal family. He started his career with Bengali films in 1937. He later began composing for Hindi movies and became one of the most successful and influential Bollywood film music composer. S.D. Burman composed the soundtracks for over 100 movies, including Bengali films and Hindi. Apart from being a versatile composer, he also sang songs in the light semi-classical and folk style of Bengal. His son, R.D. Burman, was also a celebrated music composer for Bollywood films. S.D. Burman had a unique style of composing film songs. While most of the composers used a harmonium or piano to compose the tune, he composed tunes using rhythms such as clapping hands. He was very fond of pan, which was especially made by his wife with a piece of dried orange peel and kevda flour for flavor and taste. So with the pan in your mouth, just hear this song, Na Tum Hame Jano.
मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा, मेरा हमदम मिल गया। न तुम हमें जानो, न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा, मेरा हमदम मिल गया। न तुम हमें जानो, न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा, मेरा हमदम मिल गया। तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया। न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया।
We are receiving lots and lots of messages, and people are saying we want to see Vaishali again. We understand, but after all, she is also working there, and it's not easy to get connected from USA. And for this, after all, she has to work there, and she's working. Now, the next song is Tera Mera Pyar Amar, film Asli Nakli, which was released in 1962. Singer Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Shailendra ji, music Shankar Jaikishan, starring Devanand, Sadhana, Nazir Hussain. This film was directed by Rishikesh Mukherjee. As a director, Rishikesh Mukherjee comes to maturity in this film and develops a signature style of healthy family entertainment. This film follows one of his earliest success, Anari. There is a scene in which Nazir Hussain praises the workmanship of an artifact to Devanand when the latter is disturbed. The same scene would be repeated by Rishikesh Mukherjee in the film Namak Haram in 1973 between Om Shivpuri and Amitabh Bachchan. In this film, there were many scenes which are very encouraging for the people, but there was a scene in which Sadhana is teaching English to the slum dwellers. She asks Devanand to spell and pronounce no and gets into a funny argument about English pronunciation. A similar situation is repeated in 1975 film Chupke Chupke between Dharmendra and Om Prakash. The film is refreshing with brilliant acting by all the cast and is very competently directed by Rishikesh Mukherjee. This film's story is partly inspired by The Definite Object, a 1917 romance novel by the British writer Geoffrey Furnall. Tera Mera Pyar Amar.
मेरा प्यार अमर फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर, तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर, मेरे जीवन साथी बता दिल क्यों धड़के रह गए हैं कल। क्या कहा है चांद ने जिसको सुन के चांदनी हर लहर पे झूम के क्यों ये रागने लगी, गए तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर शबाब पर उमर हर खुशी जवान है मेरी दोनों बाहों में जैसे आसमान है चलती हूँ मैं तारों पर फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर साथी बताओ क्यों तुम डरते रह रहे हो
The next song which she is going to sing, although she told me not that I do not want to sing this song, but I know now I've seen the performance. I have to say that this is such a song which is very favorite of all of us. I'm sure you are going to sing very nicely because no dar, you have already said the no dar. So now Jo Wada Kiya Wo Nibhana Padega, movie Taj Mahal, released in 1963, singer Mohammad Rafi, and as I also Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Sahir Ludhianvi ji, music Roshan, starring Pradeep Kumar, Veena Rai, Veena Rahman, Jeevan, and Jabin Jalil. Roshan Lal Nagrat, born on 14 July 1917, better known by his first name Roshan, was an Indian Esraj player and music director. He was the father of the actor and film director Rakesh Roshan and music director Rajesh Roshan and paternal grandfather of Hrithik Roshan. Roshan was born in Gurjanwala, Punjab, now part of Punjab in Pakistan. He began music lesson at a young age and later attended Marist College, now Bhatkhande Music Institute in Lucknow, under the training of Pandit S.N. Ratan Jankar. Roshan became an accomplished sarod player under the guidance of the renowned sarod player Alauddin Khan. In 1940, Khwaja Khurshid Anwar, program producer All India Radio Delhi, hired Roshan as a staff artist for Esraj, the instrument he used to play. He gave up this job in 1948 to seek fame and fortune in Mumbai. He gave many hits. Roshan had been suffering from chronic heart trouble for over 20 years. He died of a heart attack in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India on 16 November 1967, age only 50 years. He had a sudden heart attack while attending a social gathering. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा.
Thank you, sir, for mentioning that I had requested. Okay, I'll try my best.
I'm sure you will.
जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा रोके ज़माना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा तरसती निगाहों ने आवाज दी है मोहब्बत की आहों ने आवाज दी है जाने हया जाने अदा छोड़ो तरसाना
Very nice. So you were worried, but you have promised and you have kept the promise. Thank you very much. Now the next is a Asha Bhosle medley. And that medley, I will not say anything about it. I want that let her sing that medley because after that only last song will remain. Time is short. Asha Bhosle's medley.
ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना, कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है, होते 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 प्यार होता है। ओ ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना। हमने तो इतना देखा, हमने तो इतना सीखा, दिल का सौदा होता है सौदा जिंदगी का। हमने तो इतना देखा, हमने तो इतना सीखा, दिल का सौदा होता है सौदा जिंदगी का। मिलते ही कैसे कोई होता है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना, कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है, होते 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 प्यार होता है। ओ ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना। सुन 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 दीदी तेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया है, सुन 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 दीदी तेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया है। सुन 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 लड़की में क्या गुण, सुन सुन दीदी सुन, सुन 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 दीदी तेरे लिए ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला। अरे 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 लगता है ना दीदी। अच्छे घर का लड़का है पर हक हक लाता है। पापा प्यारी अंजू जरा पापा पास तो आ। अच्छे घर का लड़का है पर हक हक लाता है। मुंह पर दाग खींचे चलते और पान चबाता है। पान चबाता है जब थोड़ी भी लगाता है। पान चबाता है जब थोड़ी पी कर आता है। पीता है जब जुए में वो हार के आता है। ताश भी रोज कहाँ बस कभी कभी ही होती है। अच्छा डाका पड़े कभी तो रमी होती है। रोज कहाँ ऐसा होता है डाके पड़ते हैं हम। आते दिन तो बेचारे के जेल में कटते हैं। सुन 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 लड़के में क्या गुण, सुन सुन दीदी सुन, सुन 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 दीदी तेरे लिए ला 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 ला, उई, ला 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 ला। अरे अरे बस बस।
अब दीदी को याद किया तो दीदी के साथ गाना भी गा लेते हैं।
झांझर झमके सुन झमके, वो झांझर झमके सुन झमके, झांझर झमके सुन झमके, आधी रात को उसको रोको न टोको, टोको न रोको, रोको न टोको, आधी रात को। लाज लागे जी लागे आधी रात को, लाज लागे जी लागे आधी रात को। बिना सिंदूर के सो आधी रात को, दिल की तूफान से टकरा गई मंजिल मोहब्बत की अब तो करीब आ गई आ देख ले है क्या मजा दिल हार के रात बाक़ी बात बाक़ी होना है जो हो जाने दो सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जाओ मुझे प्यार से सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जाओ मुझे प्यार से रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो
We are moving to the last song, and that is Jindagi Ka Safar Hai Ye Kaisa Safar. Movie Safar, released in 1970. Singer Kishore Kumar, lyrics in Divar, music director Kalanji Anandji, starring Rajesh Khanna, Sharmila Tagore, Firoz Khan, Ashok Kumar. Please go ahead. I will not narrate, otherwise time is short.
जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं है कैसी डगर चलते हैं सब मगर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं जिंदगी को बहुत प्यार हमने किया मौत से भी मोहब्बत निभाएंगे हम रोते गाते ज़माने में आए मगर हंसते हंसते ज़माने से जाएंगे हम जाएंगे पर किधर है किसे ये खबर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं
Thank you.
And you will not go anywhere. We will not go anywhere, and our viewers will also not go anywhere. Definitely, that today you have made a day. I am sure everybody enjoyed. And today's program, which is live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon se Samvad Sarokar News, as well as it was shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And our endeavor is to bring to you every day new things. And tomorrow our topic is with media conference with Lal Goyal is role of youth in women empowerment. And the chief guest of tomorrow's program is Miss Gauri Kumar, IAS, former Secretary, Government of India, former Chairperson of the Public Enterprises Selection Board, Government of India, along with the 7 youth guests who will be expressing their views about the role of youth in women empowerment. Thank you very much, Miss Vaishali, or I will say Miss Ria Manjari, for joining and entertaining all of us. And that too, it's night there at 10:30. I'm sure 10:30 p.m. right now in Los Angeles. Thank you very much. And thank you all the viewers for sending your so many messages. I could not read. I think that you have broken the record. Maximum messages we have received today. Thank you very much. And thank you all. Thank you very much. God bless you.